In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find QR code in Claude to install iOS and Android devices. If you want the fastest way to get Claude on your phone, the built-in QR codes make it simple. We'll walk through where they live in the interface so you can pull them up in seconds and get the app onto either iOS or Android without searching the stores manually. Start from the Claude home screen on your computer. Look to the lower left corner of the interface for your profile area. It's the small profile button that opens your account menu. Click that to open the menu, and you'll see options related to your account and settings. This is your jumping off point to everything you can install. From that menu, select Get Apps and Extensions. This takes you straight to Claude's official download area. Think of it as the central hub where Claude lists trusted installers, browser extensions, and, most importantly for us, the mobile options. Going through this path ensures you're getting the correct, up-to-date links directly from Claude, so you don't have to worry about finding the right app in the store. On the Downloads page, look for the Mobile section. You'll see entries for iOS and for Android. Next to each one, there's a Download button. Click Download beside iOS if you're setting up an iPhone or iPad, or click Download beside Android if you're setting up an Android phone or tablet. When you click the button for your platform, Claude will present the QR code associated with that mobile app. That's the code you're after. It's designed to be scanned from your phone so you're taken directly to the correct listing in the App Store or the Google Play Store without any guesswork. Choose the one that matches your device. If you're setting up multiple devices, you can open each QR code one after the other from the same page, so it's easy to switch between iOS and Android as needed. The QR code appears clearly on screen, so you can hold your phone up to your computer and capture it right away. This is a quick way to avoid typos and make sure you're installing the official app. A quick note on best results. The Downloads area is easiest to navigate on a desktop browser, and the QR codes display largest there. If your workspace uses any admin controls, availability may vary based on organization policies. That's it. Click your profile, open Get Apps and Extensions, then in Mobile, click Download next to iOS or Android to reveal the QR code. With that on screen, you're ready to move on to installation on your device.